Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you my pocket letter that I received back. I did a pocket letter swap. It was a mini pocket letter swap. It was hosted by Happy Mail Stamper. I will leave her link in my description box below so you have a chance to go check her out and subscribe to her if you don't already follow her for more inspiration. And so this is what I received. How cute is this? So this is the mini pocket letter, and this is our ticket for our drawing because she is going to draw somebody from those that entered into her pocket letter challenge as a winner for some great goodies that she has. So I will open this in a minute. Let's look at this. Sorry for the crinkling. It says beautiful you with the washi tape. And I did send in 2 pocket letters. So everyone who sent pocket letters in, how many ever you sent in was how many you were going to get back. And she just mixed them up, I think, and sent out random ones to people who have sent them in. So I sent 2, so I should get 2 back. And we'll look at this one first. Oh, because Arizona sucks. And we did reach our mid-90s. We have a melted situation, but it's all good. All good. I will clean it up and get it all handled. But look at how cute. So this is a mini pocket letter. I love this washi. It's very springy, and then the mesh that matches it. How cute. And there's some of the gifts, and she included lemon ginger, and I believe we did have to include a tea bag in one of the pockets. But this was made by Susan Reed. She's 65 Della Reed 65 at gmail.com. But how cute. Thank you, thank you. And then this one is so cute how it came in this little pocket. It's so adorable. And this is, I'm not sure who this is from, but love these butterfly appliques. Oh, so pretty. And then this tag. I'm just looking to see if there's any writing behind any of these tags. And then, oh, look at this vellum flower. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And then this is a cute little, it's like an ATC card. It definitely is. It has her information on the back. So this is from Lene, Fashionably 50 something and beyond. So I think that might be her YouTube channel. I will link it if I can find it in the description box below. How cute. Thank you. And then she shared some tea as well, and it's an apple cranberry tea. And how cute is this paper clip? Love it. Oh, and look at these banners she's made. Those are cute banners. Pretty. I love this collection. It almost looks like a Maggie Holmes collection. I wonder if it is. And then some cute little embellishments there. So thank you so much for the pocket letters. Thank you, Happy Mail Stamper, for hosting, Joanne. I love it. And I appreciate you hosting this. So for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas. Shakas, shakas.